What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I've realized that I look absolutely horrible every time I get on camera. In person, I sort of do my hair, but I guess whenever I film, I'm just looking like a bum, like quite literally. Anyways, let's get a cold start. That wasn't loud at all. All right, food time and then banner time. Here we go.
Yes.
Are we live?
We're live.
Live studio audience. Alright guys, well that's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching. Please take a look at the banner. It's just lit. Yo. My eyes are up here. Okay, if you want to look over here. Shout out to AJ, thank you again for helping me install it. Please consider liking and subscribing if you want to see more. See you guys next Tuesday. Peace.
And if you wait, oh wait, please believe.
We just finished a 7-mile hike. How do you feel?
Bowl of fruit. Fruit?
Say it louder.
Have you ever had it? Fruit? Gotta get out every day, get your exercise, at least 30 minutes or more. Get it done.
Get it done. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye. I'm just farting non-stop. Wait, come over here. Come over here.
Cancel.